Hello, we finished with Unit 3, Thoughtful Consumer. Now we are moving on to Unit 4, Adformance. And this is the unit that will finish up the year 2020. Let's see what we have to do for today. Here we are in Module 11, Getting a Promotion. Let's see. For Monday, Day 1, November 30th. First, you'll watch this video. Then you'll click Async. You have two activities to do. First one is a Nearpod grammar writing lesson. You have done Nearpods many times, so you will just follow through with this Nearpod. The next Async assignment is to do a listening activity in your textbook. You will do Part 2A and B on page 26 and Part 3A and B on page 62. Page 62 and 63. Here is the audio for page 62, and again, the same audio again for page 63. Take a picture when you complete it. Take a picture and upload in the comment section. Okay, that's it for Async. It is a Monday, so we have class together on Zoom. So let's see Sync. We are going to do a few things. We're going to complete page 62, part 1, and review sequencing. Okay, so we will do this page together and we will watch a video on sequencing. And that's it for today. Good luck.